Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen that is right now open and visible. Once that's the case for you, meaning the content being open and visible, simply press the power button and volume down at the same time. You get the sound along with a little pop-up, and you have scroll and share options visible there, which do disappear on their own after a moment if you don't interact with them. And you also get the first time around this kind of pop-up letting you know that you can also capture the same kind of screenshot using a 3-finger swipe down gesture. So just to demonstrate it, there we go, acts the same exact way. Now once you capture your screenshot, you can find any of them by going into the album. So I'm gonna agree, and it will be visible under photos, but that is not the best place to look for it in reality. Once you get more photos, videos, and other stuff in here, the best way would be to go into albums, and in albums you will find an album called screenshots. I'm gonna click on it, and in here you'll find, strictly speaking, screenshots and nothing else, though there also might be screen recordings, but it's still much easier to find whatever you're looking for in here rather than in your entire library. So here are the 2 screenshots that I've captured. So there we go. Now anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.